Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to hide posts from friends on Facebook. So let's begin. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, simply go and open your Facebook application. In Facebook application, tap on these three lines at the top right corner. Here, tap on Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings. Here, scroll down below and under the Audience and Visibility, tap on Posts. Here you see two options. First one is who can see your future posts, and second one is limit who can see past posts. If you select first option, you can see here that my posts are already set as public. But you can select friends and other options from these options. And if I go to back, and here if I tap on a second option, which one is limit who can see past posts, and if you select the second option, all your previous posts will be limited. But before you go, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.